Hey guys, I want to talk to you about goal setting today and why writing down your goals is so important. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon when I release a new video. So goals are extremely important to have because you can easily fall into a fixed mindset if you don't see yourself improving or achieving anything substantial in life. And you might begin to believe this is all you get and this is all you were meant to have. But that's not true. You can have anything you want in life. You can always have more than you want now. But you have to realize that you have to want it. And you have to be willing to get stuff done to get there. You have to be willing to change the way you are now to get to where you want to be. And so the first thing that you should do is you should always write down your goals. Always write them down on a pen and paper, because something weird happens when you take out a pen and paper and you write down your goals. And there are studies that show that writing down your goals can dramatically improve your chances to achieving them. Also, there's another very important thing that happens when you take out your pen and paper and you write down your goals, and that's the fact that you start to do them. You start to take action, and action is the enemy of a fixed mindset. And action is the hardest thing to do. The hardest thing for us to do is to start. And like when you've started and you're going, it's easier to keep going. But to start is really, really hard. And I get it. I know starting is hard. So I want you to make it as easy as possible for yourself, so you have no reason to start. And so when you're writing out your goals, I don't want you to just be very generic, say like, I want to make money. I want you to be very specific. Instead of saying I want to make more money or I want to make a lot of money, because that's what most of our goals are, write down something like, I will make £100,000 this year as an affiliate marketer on the internet promoting Amazon products. And then when you've got that, that's your big dream. That's what you want to do in a year from now or 2 years or however long it might be. What you want to do after that is you want to break that down into very specific tasks. So you want to break, where do I want to be in 6 months' time? Where do I want to be in 3 months' time? And then work out how much you need to make a month to make 100 grand, and how much you need to make a week, and how much you need to make a day, and then write down the little steps that you need to take in order to achieve that. And then they become so small. You've broken it down so much and they become so small, you have no reason to not start. For example, like, you could break that task of making £100,000 a year as an affiliate marketer down to just the first steps of, like, think about your niche, buying a domain, thinking about a website or like WordPress and that, thinking about having a look at what products you might want to promote, or even just buying a course, looking at different courses, how to do this, how you want to do it. And whatever you're doing, start at the top, start at the dream, start at the big goal, and then just break it down as much as you can into bite-sized chunks. So starting's not a hard thing, because we all know that starting is the hardest part. Once you're going, it's easier. So you want each day to be broken down into something very easy to do. And if you can do that, you'll do it, you'll work, and you'll be able to keep on going. If you can start, you can finish. But starting is the hardest part. Don't doubt yourself, because you can do this. I read a quote once and it said, "Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will." Don't kill your dream by doubting yourself. Make it so easy that anyone can do it, that it's a no-brainer to be able to do it, so you don't have a reason not to do it. Even if that's the smallest of tasks and the easiest things to do, break them down to whatever. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.